in this tutorial we are going to see how to export this graph data if you have only software file, XRDML file or any other software file but don't have the text file. So this is your video. Go to file, here save as. So this sample AAC already exists. So here choose general ASCII file. So if you see there are other ASCII format as well, but general ASCII is openable in simple notepad. So choose this one. So this name already exists, so I'm gonna do it 111 and save it. Let's go to that folder and open it. So here it is our plot data. Like the video and share it with your friends and also subscribe the channel for new amazing content. Thank you.